Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Gaming Basics. In this video, I'm going to show you how to sign in to the Burger Please game. So let's get started right away. First of all, if you haven't already installed the Burger Please game on your device, then open up the iOS App Store or the Google Play Store depending on your device. Now once you open it up, go ahead and tap on the search box and then type in and search for Burger Please. Once you find the game, tap on the install button and wait for a while until the installation is done. Once it is done, you will see the play button, so go ahead and tap on it to open up the game. Now, even if you're installing the game for the first time and opening it up, you will notice that you are not asked to log in or sign up to any account, and you can directly start playing the game. This means that you can enjoy the game without any sign up or login, and all of your progress will be saved to your local account on your device. And there you have it. That is all you need to know about signing in to your account on the Burger Please game. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.